Enabling Dolby Atmos on the Galaxy S24 enhances your audio experience with high-quality 3D surround sound for movies, music, and games. And here's how you can easily do it. First, open the Settings app. You can swipe up from the bottom to pull up the app drawer. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then scroll down and select Sound Quality and Effects. Now, toggle the switch next to Dolby Atmos to turn it on. To customize your sound settings, tap on Dolby Atmos and choose one of the options. Auto will automatically optimize the sound based on what you're listening to. Movie will provide the best audio for films, shows, and videos. Music enhances your music, making it richer, fuller, and more balanced. Voice will make voices in audio clear and loud. If you enjoy gaming with richer audio, be sure to enable Dolby Atmos for gaming. And that's how you enable Dolby Atmos on your Galaxy S24. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.